Hello and welcome. My name is Brian Jacobson, Senior Product Development Manager here at DecksDirect, and today we're going to talk about grommets. Today we're looking at the grommets designed specifically for the Skyline Cable Railing system. These small but essential components keep your cables centered, your posts protected, and your entire railing looking sharp. For level sections of Skyline railing, you'll use level swage stud grommets. These fit precisely into the post holes, providing a smooth surface for your swage studs to pass through. They prevent metal-to-metal contact, protecting the post finish and creating a clean, finished look where the cable enters or exits the post. For stair sections, Skyline uses two types of grommets. The first type is the stair swage stud grommet, designed for the terminal post at the top and bottom of the stair section. The second is a stair intermediate grommet, installed in the stair post through which cable continues along your stair section. The primary difference between stair swage stud grommets and intermediate grommets is the size. Each is size proportionate to the component passing through it. Whether you're building level or stair railing sections, Skyline grommets protect your investment and give your railing system a professional finish. Thank you for stopping by, and if you'd like to learn more, check out the link in the description.